Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making classic roasted mallard with orange glaze. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 45 minutes to cook. Serves 2 to 4 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 2 whole mallards, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoons black pepper, 1 orange, 2 sprigs fresh thyme, 1 cup fresh orange juice, 1/4 cup orange marmalade, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons Grand Marnier, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon fresh thyme, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Preparation. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Pat ducks dry for 6 to 8 hours and score skin in crosshatch pattern, cutting through fat but not into meat. Step 2. Seasoning. Rub ducks inside and out with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Stuff cavity with orange quarters and thyme sprigs. Step 3. Initial roasting. Place breast side up on rack and roasting pan. Roast 20 minutes to render fat and crisp skin. Step 4. Glaze preparation. Combine all glaze ingredients in saucepan. Simmer until reduced by half and syrupy about 15 minutes. Step 5. Temperature reduction. Lower oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting 20 to 25 minutes more. Step 6. Glazing. Brush ducks with glaze every 10 minutes during final cooking phase. Step 7. Doneness check. Internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit in thickest part of breast. Step 8. Resting. Rest 10 minutes before carving to redistribute juices. And that's how you make classic roasted mallard with orange glaze. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.